Hello friends, welcome to our channel GK Earth English, where we challenge your brain with some exciting general knowledge questions. Today, we will explore 20 multiple choice general knowledge questions that will challenge your mind and spark your curiosity across a variety of topics. Are you ready? Let's start. Question number 1. Which is a port in India having a free trade zone? Option A Kochi, B Pradeep, C Kandla, and D Tuticorin. The correct answer is Kandla. Kandla port in Gujarat, India has a free trade zone called the Kandla Special Economic Zone. It was the first free trade zone in India inaugurated in 1965. A free trade zone is a special economic zone where goods can be imported, stored, manufactured and re-exported with specific custom regulations. Question number 2. Which of the following will never get the vertical rays of the sun? A. Mumbai, B. Chennai, C. Trivandrum, and D. Srinagar. The correct answer is Srinagar. All latitudes from 22.5 degree north to 22.5 degrees south of equator receive vertical or direct rays twice every year as the tilt Earth circle the sun. The topic of Cancer is the determining line for finding out whether a city in India will get vertical ray of the sun or not. Since Srinagar lies to the north of the topic of Cancer, it never gets the vertical rays of the sun. Question number 3. Who among the following abolished the dual system of government in Bengal? A. Lord Clive, B. Warren Hastings, C. Lord Cornwallis, and D. Spencer. The correct answer is Warren Hastings. Warren Hastings became the governor of Bengal in 1772 and in 1774. He became the first Governor General of Bengal. He put an end to the dual system of government in Bengal, which was established by the Robert Clive in 1765. Question number 4. Swami Dayanand Saraswati established the first Arya Samaj in 1875 at Bombay, B. Lahore, C. Nagpur, and D. Ahmednagar. The correct answer is Bombay. Swami Dayanand founded the Hindu reform organization called Arya Samaj on April 7, 1875 in Mumbai, and also created its 10 principles which are quite distinct from Hinduism yet based on the Vedas. Question number 5. When was the first national forest policy issued by the government of India? A. 1958, B. 1940, C. 1952, and D. 1980. The correct answer is 1952. Question number 6. The leading producer of aluminium in the world is A. China, B. Russia, C. USA, and D. Canada. The correct answer is China. China is the world's largest producer of aluminium. In 2023, China produced 41 million metric tons of aluminium, which is more than half of the world's total production. Aluminium is a lightweight, electrically conductive and highly resistant metal. It is used in many industrial and domestic applications including vehicle, electronics and the construction. Question number 7. Which one of the following is the largest lake in the world? A. Lake Superior, B. Caspian Sea, and C. Lake Baikal, and D. Lake Victoria. The correct answer is Caspian Sea. The Caspian Sea is the largest lake in the world by surface area. It's also the largest inland body of water on Earth. Caspian Sea lies at the junction of Europe and Asia. It has the greatest surface area of any lake at 1,43,200 square miles. Question number 8. Ben Johnson, the well-known athlete belong to which of the following countries? A. South Africa, B. Germany, C. Cuba, and D. Canada. The correct answer is Canada. During the 1987-88 season, he held the title of the world fastest man, breaking both the 100-meter and the 60-meter indoor world record. He won the 100-meter at 1987 World Championship in Athletics and at the 1988 Summer Olympics, but was disqualified for the doping and stripped of the gold medal. Question number 9. The first detonation of an atom bomb took place in the summer of 1945 at Hiroshima, B. Nagasaki, C. Los Alamos, and D. Bikini Atoll. The correct answer is Los Alamos. Question number 10. Who among the following argue that the economy should be based on system of natural liberty? A. Karl Marx, B. James Monroe, and C. Benjamin Franklin, and D. Adam Smith. The correct answer is Adam Smith. Question number 11. What color is the tongue of a giraffe? A. Pink, B. Blue, C. Red, and D. Purple. The correct answer is purple. Question number 12. The animal who can consume more salt among the following is A. Sheep, B. Camel, C. Dog, and D. Donkey. The correct answer is camel. Camels require 6 to 8 times the salt intake of the other animals. This helps the camel body to store water in its cell. At an average, camel need a ration of 45 to 60 gram of salt every day. Question number 13. What month is showing on the calendar when the earth is nearest the sun? A. March, B. January, C. June, and D. October. The correct answer is January. Question number 14. Name the gas used in preparation of bleaching powder. A. Oxygen, B. Hydrogen, C. Nitrogen, and D. Chlorine. The correct answer is chlorine. Bleaching powder is manufactured by passing chlorine gas over a dry slacked line. Bleaching powder is also called calcium chlorohypochlorite because it is considered as a mixed salt of hydrochloric acid and hypochlorous acid. Question number 15. Which of the following is known as suicide bag of the cell? A. Lysosomes, B. Golgi bodies, C. Mitochondria, and D. Ribosomes. The correct answer is lysosomes. Lysosomes in the cell are also called suicide bags. Lysosomes are organelles that contain digestive enzymes. They digest excess or worn out organelles, food particles, and engulf virus or bacteria. Question number 16. Study of life in outer space is known as A. Exobiology, B. Neobiology, C. Endobiology, and D. Anthrobiology. The correct answer is exobiology. Exobiology is the study of likely nature or possibility of life in space or other planets. It is a branch of biology which deals with the study of life in outer space. It is also known as the astrobiology. It is actually deals with the origin, evolution, distribution, and the future of life in the universe. Question number 17. Motilal Nehru and C.R. Das were the founder of a party known as the A. Ghadar Party, B. Forward Bloc, C. Swaraj Party, and D. Socialist Congress. The correct answer is Swaraj Party. The Swaraj Party or Swarajya Party was established by Motilal Nehru and C.R. Das in January 1923 after the Gyan Annual Conference in December 1922. of the National Congress, which sought greater self-government and the political freedom for the Indian people from the British Raj. Question number 18. First human heart transplant was performed in A. 1972, B. 1955, C. 1967 and D. 1959. The correct answer is 1967. The Christian Bernard, a South American cardiac surgeon, performed the world's first successful human-to-human heart transplant at Groote Schuur Hospital, Cape Town on 3 December 1967. Question number 19. Which of the following state does not follow Panchayati Raj system? A. Rajasthan, B. Mizoram, C. Assam and D. Tripura. The correct answer is Mizoram. The 73rd Constitutional Amendment Act of the 1993 paved the way for the implementation of the Panchayati Raj system. The Panchayati Raj system is applicable in all states and the Union Territory of India, except for Nagaland, Meghalaya, Mizoram and Delhi. Question number 20. Which of the following country accepted the policy of dual citizen? A. France, B. India, C. China and D. USA. The correct answer is USA. Dual citizenship can give people the right to vote, hold public office and work in both countries. The US allowed dual citizenships, meaning that a person can be a citizen of both the US and another country. US citizens also have citizenship in the state they live in. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy the video, please like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out our latest videos.